Rebels, and welcome back to the channel. We're off to Dungarvan bike meet. It's on every Thursday night from between 6:30 and 7 o'clock, I believe. Went there once or twice last year. I never filmed that in there, but I'll film whatever bikes are there tonight and meet up with my buddy Mick. He's got a new machine, so we're going to have a look and see what that's like. Look forward to seeing it in the flesh. And yeah, it's a good bike meet. Well, from what I had last year, I know I was coming towards the tail end of it last year, so there might be a lot more here tonight, hopefully. And yeah, it was just nice to meet a couple of the lads there, Richard and other lads I got to know up there as well. So that's what it's all about, putting yourself into new places. And the bike gathering in Tramore is up and running as well, I believe. Haven't been out there yet. Wednesday night doesn't suit me really, but I'll try to get out there Wednesday, like late afternoon maybe, sometimes if I can, but I've other commitments as well, so that'll be a harder one to get to. But Thursday is free enough, so that helps, obviously, you know, for spins and stuff like that. So yeah, let's head on to Dungarvan. The weather is nice at the moment. We had heavy hailstorm earlier, and still that bit of coldness in it, so like there's loads of weathers today, so God knows what's going to happen on the way up weather wise anyway. Yeah, I want to get to more bike meets this year and interact more than just my solo adventures as well, because you know there's plenty of other cool bikes to go out and have a look at apart from mine, so it'd be nice to share it on the channel with everybody. And yeah, you can never go wrong with looking at more bikes. As you can see with the grey clouds over there, that is probably going to lash out the heavens now sometime soon. And yet my wet gear is in the bag, so yeah, that's going to be fun. So look, what can you do? They say no such thing as bad weather, there's bad gear. Like this, just mainly because you can't see anything. It's not because they're slowing me up, because we're still going the speed limit anyway. It's just you can't see anything ahead of you, so you're trying to veer around the side the whole time, because you want to have a look at the next car or pass. If they pull the brakes suddenly or anything like that, you want to be ready. See, look. The fuel light is on again. Jesus, I don't know. It just feels like the fuel light is on the whole time, even though you fill it up. I'm gonna go to the garage anyway, meet the lads up there, and I'll get fuel on the way home. I'm not stopping now. Escaped the rain on the way up anyway. Happy days. Need a cup of tea, but it is cold out. I actually put on my summer jeans today because my other ones are manky. I need to wash them actually. I don't want to be going around as a scruffy biker. I have standards, you know. But these are actually warming up. It's not too bad, because they have the Kevlar in them anyway. So there's an extra layer underneath, so keep it warm, and they're a bit longer as well, so the cold doesn't go up through the bottom of the boots. Not a bad evening now. Been a really busy Easter and stuff like that, and nice time went away with the boy up the cove, into photo and all that kind of stuff, so I had a really good Easter weekend. Had a couple of drinks with the missus, so And yeah, just I was relaxing. I needed it because the week before I was up till 4:30 watching sports and stuff like that. I watch wrestling, okay? I don't care. Judge me if you want, but I watch it and I love it. But yeah, I was up till 4:30 watching WrestleMania. So yeah, you can unsub now if you want. Yeah, up till that hour, so really wrecked, and went out to Friday night, I think. So I was wrecked from that as well. So you know, when you get a bit older, it takes a bit longer to recover from late nights like that. But things I love like that, wrestling and stuff like that, escapism, and that's the whole thing. But yeah, back to myself now. I was back training this week, back in Muay Thai. So I was training last night, done a bit of pad work, a lot. I was in pieces at the end, but that's how you stay fit and stay agile and stay strong. So got 2 trainings in this week, and then get up, meet the lads here, football match tomorrow evening, then the Blues are playing, and then have a nice chill for the weekend, bit of coaching the weekend, so 1 or 2 at home Saturday night. That's me pretty much fixed. Let me know what you're up to for the weekend. That's in it. And where you're off on your bikes actually, or where you're going to go on your bikes, or where you've been on your bikes. Any places that you haven't seen me go to yet that I should definitely check out, that you think would make a good video. Let me know in the comments. Nobody comments really. I'd like people to comment more, because you know, I will talk back, I'll comment back. So let's see how many of the lads are here now anyway. Let's have a look. There's a handful anyway. Ooh. Parking here. Well, how are you? That's Mick. Huh? Ah, nice few here anyway. Look, Mick from the bike. Be strong. RC over there, a couple lads over there. Yeah, so happy days. Still a famous monkey. A few more bikes. Nice. Well lads, how are ye? Wow. It's class. I won't fancy polishing that now. Won't fancy polishing that.
Not a polishing that way.
Savage.
Lovely though.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, well, you have to let people know you're on the road.
Look at that, 30,001. I missed the one for the full 30,000. But anyway, that was a good bike meet. I think Justin organises it, I think. And his buddy John sound out, and I met Tom O from No Bullshit RC. Sound out lads to do the breakfast every third Sunday. So give them a follow. The Bike Meets Facebook page, this one, and the No Bullshit RC page as well. Give the lads a follow. All sound out. John there now, boy. So yeah, that's it. Head back in home now. See you later, lads. Mick waiting for me. I thought he was he's had to run off ahead of me. Sorry, Mick. He must have been wondering where I was gone. But yeah, that was a great, that was a really enjoyable meet-up with some of the lads from different clubs and stuff like that as well. So happy days. That was a good Thursday spent, and now we get a spin home with Mick. Mick had the new V-Strom. What a beauty, what a beast. He was saying he nearly dropped it there when he was in Kerry over the weekend. First big spin on it, then just the weight of it nearly caught him, as he can catch with all of us on any bike. So look forward to him passing me out now and having a look at the bike in motion. The weather's held up as well. Well, we're at the meet anyway. Gone home with a smile now, so that was good. Said there's some lovely bikes there, and the lads were saying that, you know, you have 50-60 bikes there when the weather gets good as well, so it's going to be a good meet. So definitely come up. I'm going to bring up Dean Hart. He's only starting out on the bike, so he's going to come up with me some Thursday. I just wanted to go up myself today and see what the crack was, but I'll bring him along, and he'll go and enjoy it as well. These are the little things that when you're starting out, you know, you feel really good doing it. You know, it's the simple things of like parking and stuff like that. You'd be nervous because everybody's looking at you. Well, you think they are, but most of them are not. You're only looking at the bike, you know. And yeah, really enjoyable. And you know, these meets are to just meet up and chat about bikes. No egos or anything like that. Everyone's just out to enjoy themselves. The people that look the meanest are actually the soundest, you know. So I hope you enjoyed the little video. Now, I didn't video that much, you know, there wasn't much bikes, but I wanted to get chatting. I wanted to be off the camera. As much as I have my own channel, I wanted to get off the channel, or get off the camera and have a chat with the lads and stuff like that. Now, when we get more bikes and it's busier, I will do a video. I will do a better video of chatting to the lads and stuff like that as well. Once everyone gets to know each other, then you see that they're all sound and what clubs are up here. If you're interested in any clubs or whatever, any clubs, I'll meet up here. I'll throw them up on the video there, and you can follow them there as well. There's Mick now. Lovely bike, such a lovely bike. As much as I love the solo stuff, I do love riding out with one or two friends as well. And like I said, the Thai run is special because you're with so many people, and I don't usually do that, so that makes it special for me. But I like riding out with good mates, good friends, and Mick is one of them, definitely. His dad passed away in the last year, and he was telling me we're going to be doing a charity run for his dad, so that's going to be special as well. And you know, we definitely make it to that, and we'll pop out the video for that as well. His dad was an avid biker. I had the pleasure of meeting, thank God. And oh man, just a gentleman. And the bike he had was deadly. It was like a scooter, but I'm definitely doing it a disservice here. But it was a nice chunky scooter toy bike. And yeah man, you can see how much he loves him. You can see where Mick got the love of bikes and stuff like that. So I know you won't mind me talking to his dad and stuff like that, you know, so that's all good. It's like we come into a different world, basically. That's the rain we avoided earlier. Thank God. We'll get it now though.